What's up, you guys? This is another Urban Garden product review. I score each product 0 to 10 in these 5 categories with a total of 0 to 50 out of 50. Our first category is style, and the first thing that pops to mind is the green handle. I don't know how many times I misplaced my other Hori knife because it has a brown handle, but I'm pretty sure having a green handle like this makes it easier to find. I also like the ribbed grip and the comfortable shape of the handle. Moving on to the blade, it's nicely curved, very classic of a Hori knife. And if you look up here, that's the original thickness prior to sharpening. Very impressive. It's nice and shiny. I like the way the blade is sharpened. I give this a 10 for style. Next up, we are scoring for ease of use. I can already tell you that from experience, this is a no-brainer. Everyone who's ever owned a Hori knife knows that this is one of the most versatile tools in the garden. It does many of your jobs in the garden and you don't even have to fold it up, take it apart, or anything like that. I give this a 10 for ease of use. For features, this knife has measurements. It's kind of weird they left out the odd inches, and then they have centimeters on the other side. I personally don't use them. Nowhere on this grip is it rubberized, but that's okay. It's not a big deal, but I personally would love to see some rubberization on this handle. My guess is that the hard plastic gives it a quality that lasts longer than a rubberized handle. Either way, it is still a nice, comfortable grip. Now, when you add in the hole that I can use for a strap or to hang it up on a nail and store it, I give this a 9.75. Now, there's really only 2 things to talk about when it comes to the materials and durability of this product. You got the handle that is made out of hard, durable plastic, and you got the blade that's made out of a pretty thick stainless steel. Very comparable to one of those commercial chef knives with the white handles. This thing is definitely built to last. I give it a 10. Now, when it comes to usefulness, this is another no-brainer situation. This product cuts, it saws, it digs, it measures, it hacks. An easy 10 for this knife, bringing the total score to a 49.75. Price point stands at a median range of about $20. Thanks for watching this Urban Garden review.